Sit down.
Thank you, Auntie.
We have learned about a lot of people who work, right? Who help us. Can you tell me? Who brings letters for you? Very good. Clap for her. Who brings milk for you? Very good. And who grows food for you? Who grows food for you? Woman? No. Farmer man nahi. It's only farmer. Very good. It's only farmer. A farmer grows food for you. A farmer. And where does he grow the food? कहाँ उगाता है वो? In his field or farm. Okay. So I am going to tell you a story about a farmer. Okay. Now tell me, what do you call a person who always acts wisely, जो अकल से काम लेता है, and he clever also, and then buddhiman. So we call him a wise man. Okay. And sometimes who does not understand anything and does whatever he wants. Suppose if somebody tells him to there was a girl. Now this girl is learning to cook food. वो खाना बनाना सीख रही. हाँ, she was learning to cook food. वो जो लड़की थी ना, वो खाना बनाना सीख रही थी. Learning to cook. Now, so she cooked some dal. अब when the dal boiled, तो वो क्या हो गया? It became thick. वो बहुत गाढ़ी हो गई दाल, उबल के thick हो गई. कैसी हो गई? Thick. गाढ़ी को हम क्या बोलते हैं? Thick. That dal became thick. So now dal should be thick. क्या दाल इतनी thick होनी चाहिए? कैसी होनी चाहिए? पतली होनी चाहिए. It should be thin. So her mother told her कि बेटा add some water to it. इसमें क्या डाल दो? पानी डाल दो. And she poured some water and she stirred it. उसको हिलाया and dal became all right. So she said, wow, now this thing is to remember that whenever anything is thick, you add some water. So she needed some dough to make chapati. उसने आटा गूंदा. Needed. गूंदा means needed. She needed some dough. Dough मतलब आटा. अब आटा गूंदा. Now that आटा was very thick और उससे वो बन नहीं रहा था. So she thought कि अरे इतना है तो चलो इसमें पानी डाल दो. So she poured a glass of water. Now that that flour became गीला हो गया. So what do you call that girl? A wise girl? What was she? Foolish girl. Very good. She was a foolish girl. तो जो ऐसे कोई काम करता है तो हम उसको क्या कहते हैं? Foolish. And you must have heard that story. There was a man. He had a hen. What he had? Hen. Now this hen used to lay a golden egg every day. वो क्या देती थी? रोज एक सोने का अंडा. सोने का? हाँ. She laid a golden egg every day. Now, and this man used to take that egg and he used to go to market, sell it and buy a lots of things. वो उसको बेच के क्या लेता था? बहुत सारी चीजें लेता था. One day somebody told him that why do you bring only one egg every day? Why don't you bring a lots of eggs so that you will have plenty of money? Now this man, he went back home and what did he do? He said, yeah, that man was right. उसने ठीक बोला था. मैं क्यों एक एक अंडा रोज ले जाता हूँ? Why should I take one egg every day? I should have lots of eggs. तो क्यों ना मैं इस मुर्गी को पेट से काट के इसके सारे अंडे एक साथ ही निकाल लूं. ये मुझे रोज एक अंडा देती है. And what did he do? He He cut the hen's tummy and did he get eggs? No. So what do you call that man? Do you call that man a wise man? Foolish. So these people are called foolish. I'm going to tell you a story about a foolish farmer. A foolish farmer. Now the farmer was foolish, but because he was a farmer, he used to grow food in his farm. Now this farmer, he grew some cotton in his farm. Cotton क्या होती है? रुई. So he grew some cotton in his farm. Now what is the name of this farmer? Bhola. Bhola. Now Bhola, now you have to repeat this story after me. Bhola was a farmer. He had a farm. He grew cotton. Cotton in his farm. And one day what did he do? When he reaped the crop, जब उसने अपनी फसल काटी, तो उसने उस कॉटन को क्या किया? Now what will he do? हाँ, तो आप जब भी आप कुछ बहुत चीजें उगाते हो तो फिर आप उसको क्या करने के लिए ले जाते हो? बेचने के लिए ले जाते हो. So he also took his cotton to the market. Now there are two ways to keep the cotton. What they do, या तो कॉटन की बिग शीट्स जो होती है ना, सपोज दिस इज अ कॉटन क्लॉथ, तो पहले क्या होता था, आप या तो उसको ऐसे फोल्ड करो प्रॉपरली, दिस वे यू फोल्ड इट एंड यू कीप वन ऑन अदर एंड यू कैरी इट टू द मार्केट, या तो आप ऐसे करके ले जाओ. एंड देर आर अदर थिंग्स दैट पीपल डू, दैट दे रोल इट ऑन दिस काइंड ऑफ अ थिंग. इसके ऊपर क्या करते हैं वो, दे रोल इट. They roll it like this. You must have seen in the shops. आपने मार्केट में कपड़ा लेने जाते हो, आपने देखा है? वो लोग ऐसे निकालते हैं और फिर इसमें से आप कपड़ा देखते हो और फिर इसमें से निकाल के दे मेजर इट करते हैं ना, रोल्स होते हैं ऐसे. तो what do we call them? We call them bale. Bale. क्या बोलते हैं इनको? बेल. ये बेल है. जैसे आप उसको बोलते हो What is this? हाँ, भुट्टा है ना. तो ये क्या है? कॉर्न होता है ना, कॉर्न. इसको इंग्लिश में बोलते हैं कॉर्न. तो हम इसको बोलते हैं एन ईयर ऑफ अ कॉर्न. एंड ये जो आप एक भुट्टा देख रहे हो उसको बोलते हैं ईयर ऑफ कॉर्न. क्या बोलते हैं? और इसको हम क्या बोलते हैं कॉटन वाले को? अ बेल ऑफ कॉटन. बेल ऑफ, याद रहेगा? ओके. सो ही टुक हिज बेल ऑफ कॉटन टू द मार्केट. नाउ सपोज इफ you are going to sell this cotton in the market, will anybody buy this cotton? कोई खरीदेगा? Will anybody buy this? क्यों नहीं खरीदेगा बताओ? अच्छा ये देखो, हमने ये दिखाया आपको, गंदा है ना, गंदा. तो आप गंदी चीज तो नहीं खरीदोगे. Now when Bhola took the bale of cotton to the market, people saw it and they said, no, we don't want to buy. What did they say? We don't want to buy. And nobody bought it because they said the cotton was dirty. The cotton was dirty. Now Bhola would be very happy? No. Bhola was very sad. So he picked up his bale of cotton and he was going back home. वापस कहाँ आ रहा था? घर. और कैसा था? खुश? Very sad. So he was very sad. He was coming back home. On the way, he saw a person who was sitting beside a fire. Beside a fire मतलब fire के, like what's your name beta? Savita. Now wait. Savita is sitting beside Shanti. तो क्या मतलब हुआ? बीमार. What's your name? And yours? Panchkumari. Now Panchkumari is sitting beside Shubha. So beside means पास में, उसके पास में. So this man was sitting beside fire. क्या मतलब हुआ? आग के पास बैठा था. And what was he doing? No, he was not cooking his food. He was heating his bangle. A bangle. He was heating a bangle and he was doing something there. नहीं, माचिस नहीं जला था. He was heating a bangle. Bangle क्या होती? चूड़ी. And what? See, what is this? And what is the color? Golden. And who makes it? कौन बनाता है? So he is a sunar. And what do we call a sunar? What do we call it in English? Bangle of gold. So he is a goldsmith. Who was he? A goldsmith. जो सुनार होते हैं उनको हम क्या बोलते हैं? Smith. And goldsmith कैसे बैंगल बनाते हैं? They heat the gold in the fire. उसको गरम करते हैं, फिर उसको क्या करते हैं? फिर उसको ऐसे करके जोड़ देते हैं, राइट? और बैंगल बना, फिर उससे डिजाइन बना देते हैं या उसके ऊपर कुछ ये, राइट? So this man was heating a bangle. So Bhola asked him, "Hey, what are you doing? Hey, what are you doing? आप क्या कर रहे हो?" So he said, "I am cleaning the gold. I am cleaning the." मैं सोने को क्या कर रहा हूँ? साफ कर रहा हूँ. So Bhola thought, yes, this is the right way to clean something. So he went home and what did he do? He lit a fire. उसने क्या करा? Lit a fire. He lit a fire. आग जलाई. He lit a fire and he put the cotton on it. अब क्या होगा? अब वो जल गया. So क्या वो cotton clean होगी? Was he able to clean the cotton? So what did Bhola's wife say? Oh, foolish man. ठीक है? Now let's see. Suppose if I burn this. Now what do I do? What I am doing now? Tell me in English. I am lighting a candle. I am lighting a candle. Okay. Now I am. फूक दिया को क्या बोलना है? No. What did I say? Blow out. See, I am lighting a candle and I blow out the matchstick. Okay, matchstick को बुझा दिया. Now the candle is lit. Candle जल गई. Now if I want to clean this cotton, if I clean, अब क्या हो जाएगा? Oh, my cotton, it's reduced. Oh God, is it cleaned? See how quickly the cotton has caught the fire. कितनी जल्दी उसने आग पकड़ी, है ना? And now the cotton is reduced to ash. क्या बन गई है? ये क्या बन गई? राख को हम क्या बोलते हैं? Ash. क्या बोलते हैं? Ash. The cotton is reduced to ash. Cotton is उसमें बदल गई ना राख में. क्या हो गई? कॉटन इज रिड्यूस टू एश. ये क्या बन गई अब? रुई. क्या मैं इससे कुछ कैन आई मेक सम क्लॉथ आउट ऑफ इट? इससे मैं कपड़ा बना सकती हूँ? नहीं बना सकते. तो अगर कोई चीज जल के कम हो जाती है ना, कम हो जाती है और किसी और चीज में बदल जाती है, तो हम बोलते हैं रिड्यूस टू. क्या बोलते हैं? रिड्यूस टू. अब ये राख बन गई तो रिड्यूस टू एश. क्या बोलेंगे? नाउ व्हाट इज दिस? अगरबत्ती और धूप बत्ती, दैट वी कॉल इंसेंस स्टिक. क्या बोलते हैं इसको? नाउ इफ आई बर्न दिस इंसेंस स्टिक, and I'll put it up here. I'll put it in this. Now this will reduce into what? This will burn. It will keep on burning. ये जलती रहेगी ना? And this will reduce to क्या बन जाएगी ये फिर? So reduce to ash. It will reduce to. आप देखेंगे अभी थोड़ी देर बाद वो रिड्यूस होगी. तब तक हम अपनी स्टोरी को फिर से रिवाइज करते हैं, राइट? एंड नाउ यू आर गोइंग टू से द स्टोरी. Who was he? Come on. There was a farmer. Say, there was a farmer. Say it loudly. There was a farmer. His name was. Say it. His name was Bhola. He had a farm. He grew cotton in it. One day, Bhola took a bale of cotton to the market to sell it. But nobody bought it. They said the cotton was dirty. Bhola was. He went back home. On his way home मतलब जब घर जा रहा था वापस, तो उसको रास्ते में, घर के रास्ते में, on his way home, he saw a goldsmith. He was sitting beside a fire. Bhola asked him, "What are you doing?" He said, "I am cleaning my gold." Bhola thought, "Oh, this is the way to clean something." He reached home. He lit a fire. And he put his bale of cotton in it. The cotton started burning and reduced to ashes. Now Bhola has lost the cotton also. Bhola lost the cotton also. Bhola, he was a foolish man. He was a. Have you enjoyed the story? Learned it? Have you understood the meaning? What is reduced to ash? What is reduced to ash? हाँ, और reduced to ash मतलब क्या हुआ? बदल के क्या बन गया वो? Now see, I burned this incense stick, तो अब ये देखो ये reduce होके इसमें क्या बन गया ये what? So this stick is also reducing to ash. This stick is also reducing to ash. So reducing to ash means changing into ash. बदलना, वो बदल गई, राख में बदल. Understood? Okay. If I give you some exercise and question and answer, will you be able to do it? हाँ, आप कॉपी में कर लोगे? Very good. Thank you. I'll write it down on the blackboard. You copy it, do it, and show it to me. Right?